Hey guys, this is part 2 of review what's inside my notebook. And I hope you will enjoy these, and sorry if I have ugly drawings that I will show you. And yeah. So this is my notebook which I showed you last time. Yeah, so let's open it. There's like a king and queen drawing. Prince Lumishasha, New Year drawing, which is a picture of me and a firework blow out. Ted, Robofish Ted, guitar, violin, which I messed it up, Earl Kuma face, One Direction pages. Kiss You 3 days to go. Philippines Queen Candy. Heart. Ruined Heart. Hey guys. Today I will not be talking because I'm really tired talking. I'll just be showing you some notebook paper. This is just a short video. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe, comment, and like. Bye. That's a lot of oopsies I do. And this is like a girl and a boy or something. And here are the questions. Why are your squishies so defective? And last drawing is this Miss Quiet Cupcake one. So yeah, that's all what's inside my drawing. So yeah, bye.